In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Binance account so you can unlock full deposit, trading, and withdrawal limits. First, open the Binance app and log in. If you're new, create an account with your email or phone number, then go to the home screen. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left or top right corner and look for Identity Verification, or Verify. Tap it, then choose Personal/Individual and select your country or region. This decides which documents Binance will accept. Now fill in your basic information: full name, date of birth, nationality, and residential address. Make sure everything matches exactly with your ID documents. After that, choose the ID type you want to use, for example, passport, national ID card, or driver's license, and follow the prompts to scan or upload it. Keep the image clear, in color, and not cropped. Next, complete the face verification. Hold your phone in good light, keep your face centered, and follow the on-screen instructions until it says the check is complete. Submit everything and wait for Binance to review it. Once approved, your account will show as verified, and your limits and features will increase automatically. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.